Hey guys, I am Amrita from IPCS Global. In this video, I will show you how to create a word cloud using Python. The source for this word cloud can be any text. In this video, I took a file that I found in Google and we will create this kind of word cloud. In order to create the word cloud, we will use the Python library called WordCloud and Matplotlib. So before we are starting, let us shortly install those two packages. Head over to your terminal of VS Code and in here you can type pip install matplotlib. Your screen might look a little bit different as I have already installed these libraries on my machine. And of course we also need WordCloud, so this will be pip install WordCloud. Alright, here on my VS Code, I have the text file which I found somewhere on Google. So let us turn this text into a word cloud. To do so, I will create a new Python file. In the same folder, call it cloud.py. First, we need to import the necessary libraries. Here the code snippet for that. We use path from the pathlib module for handling file paths. Matplotlib.pyplot is imported as PLT for plotting purposes, though it's not used in this snippet. Stock words and word cloud are imported from the word cloud library to create word clouds and handle common stock words. Next, we define the file path for our text file. Path.cwd gets the current working directory and the slash operator is used to concatenate the directory with the file name jeffbezos.txt. Now let's read the content of the text file. The open function opens the file in read mode with UTF-8 encoding. The read method reads the entire content of the file into the variable text. We then set the stop words, which are common words that we want to exclude from our word cloud. Stop words is a set of common words like and, the, etc. that are often excluded from word cloud. Next, we create the word cloud. Word cloud object is created with a white background, the specified stop words and dimensions of 600 by 400 pixels. The generate method processes the text to create the word cloud. Finally, we save the generated word cloud to a file. The toFile method saves the generated word cloud as an image file named wordcloudoutput.png. And that's it. We have successfully created and saved a word cloud from a text file.